Railbird is a platform where you can buy and sell shares in sports teams and players, much as you'd buy and sell stocks on the stock market. This UI is an example of what we think the landing page would look like when a user logs in. And it's based not only on what we'd want to see as sports betting aficionados, but also our experience as public equity investors who frankly stare at very similar looking screens all the time. On the left, we have the watch list. This is a collection of assets that a user may want to see, either because he or she owns them, or because he or she thinks they might be interesting at a certain price level, or just likes the team or player. We have the type of asset, so in this case, a basketball team, the Orlando Magic, as well as the code that represents it, and this is the last price. So the price denotes the wins expectation in the case of teams at the end of the season that this team will have. So for the Magic, right now the market is pricing in a 733 win season. You have the 1 day, 1 month, and 1 year return, and we think that this is a simple way of conveying all the relevant information to a user. On the right, we have the graph of your portfolio. This shows you the current value of the portfolio in real time, as well as the daily return, and you can sort it over a number of time periods to see exactly what your return is over that duration. The positions is what you actually hold as opposed to the watch list. And in this case, the only difference is the quantity, so the amount of shares you hold, the cost basis, so the average cost you got in, as well as the total return you've earned over the life of this asset. On the right, we have the news, which corresponds to all the teams in your watch list being auto-populated in terms of recency. We find this is a useful way of conveying information. Thank you so much for watching, and let us know if you have any questions.